Do you struggle to grow your wealth? Well, here are 2 secrets to help you grow your wealth. Number 1, you can't save your way to wealth. You have to invest your way to wealth. Savings or money in a savings account is not going to create wealth for you. Interest rates are so low at the moment, you're not earning anything. Money needs to be invested if you want to create wealth. Finally, number 2, reducing your expenses is a lot easier than making more money. So a lot of people I talk to want to make more money, but they rarely look at their everyday expenses. Reduce your expenses. It will help. By reducing your expenses, it will create cash flow for you, and then use that cash flow to invest. My 2 secrets to help you grow your wealth. If you have any questions, please write them below. If you need assistance when it comes to financial advice or home loans, please contact our office, as we would love the opportunity to assist. I'm Clyde. Thanks for watching.